Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Google ADK versus CrewEye versus AutoGen 2025. So basically, Google Agent Development is an open source code first Python and Java framework for building and developing multi-agent AI systems. Google ADK is an excellent fit if you need to build production-grade multi-agent systems and want structured workflows, evaluation pipelines, and fine-grained control over agent execution. Google ADK is a robust, enterprise-ready multi-agent framework well worth integrating if your long-term use case demands structured, scalable agents aligned with Google Cloud infrastructure. If your needs are lighter or platform agnostic, it may serve better for simpler deployments. While the purpose of Crew AI is that it has multi-agent AI framework where developers can build collaborative AI teams. Its agent style has to named agents with memory, tools, roles, and shared objectives. Its key features are to define agents and Python classes, assign them roles, tools, and workflows, and enable team reasoning, planning, and task delegation. Crew AI is great for structured, explainable multi-agent systems, example research assistants, dev teams, and writing crews. Choose Crew AI if you want multiple AI agents to collaborate. If you are building research, writing, or task-solving teams, choose Crew AI simply. And also choose it if you need agent memory, roles, and chain of command logic. While the purpose of AutoGen is to build LLM-powered agents that talk to each other or humans, often used for code generation, data exploration, and multi-turn assistant workflows. Its key features are agents with personas, user proxy, assistant agent, etc., and has memory persistence. Its tools, APIs, and streaming LLM support, and OpenAI and Azure integration. AutoGen is ideal for developers building conversational AI, automated coders, or RAG agents. Choose AutoGen if you want chat-style AI workflows, if you are building developer copilots, data assistant, or RAG agents, and choose it if you like LLMs as cooperative partner in dialogue loops. So basically, this is the difference between Google ADK versus Crew AI versus AutoGen. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.